If you searched how to buy shares of Bright Minds Biosciences Inc., this short guide will walk you through the practical steps. Bright Minds Biosciences is a biotechnology firm developing neuropsychiatric treatments, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DRUG, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy a drug, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker DRUG to locate the company listing. Choose the result that clearly matches Bright Minds Biosciences Inc. to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and examine the price chart for trading history. Confirm the page shows Bright Minds Biosciences Inc. and the NASDAQ ticker DRUG before proceeding. Tap Buy or Invest. Enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may queue or be set as a pending instruction, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.